Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a beautiful girl named Emily. She was 20 years old, with blue eyes and golden hair. Her family was poor, but they were happy, living in a small house and loving each other dearly. Emily loved to read books and dreamed of a better life. One day, she went to the village market, where she met a boy named John. He was tall and handsome, with dark hair and a kind smile. John came from a rich family. His parents owned a big house and many lands. Despite their different backgrounds, Emily and John became friends. They talked and laughed together, enjoying long walks in the fields and by the river. John shared his dreams, and Emily told him about her hopes. They grew very close to each other. One day, John looked into Emily's eyes and said, "Emily, I love you. Will you marry me?" Emily's heart filled with joy. "Yes, John, I love you too," she replied. They hugged and dreamed of their future together. But their happiness was short-lived. John's parents disapproved of Emily because she was poor. His mother said, "John, you cannot marry Emily. She is not from a rich family." His father agreed, "You need to find someone from your own class." John was heartbroken. "I love Emily," he told them. "She is kind and good. Money is not important." But his parents refused to listen. They warned, "If you marry her, we will not support you." Emily, knowing the situation, felt deeply sad. She loved John but did not want to cause trouble for him. She said, "Maybe it's better if we don't marry, John. I don't want to make your life difficult." But John refused. "No, Emily. I will always love you. We will find a way." Days passed, and John tried to convince his parents, but their hearts remained unchanged. Emily's family also worried about her. Her mother said, "Emily, we love you. We want you to be happy. But maybe it's best to let John go." Emily cried many nights. She loved John but did not want to hurt him. One day, she made a painful decision. She told John, "I love you very much, but I think it's better if we don't marry. Your parents will never accept me. I don't want to make your life hard." John was heartbroken. "Emily, I cannot live without you," he whispered. "But I understand." They hugged, tears streaming down their faces. They knew their love was strong, but the world was against them. They decided to stay friends and support each other. But their hearts remained broken. Emily continued living with her family, working hard and helping them. John focused on his responsibilities but never forgot Emily. One day, Emily's father became very sick. She took care of him day and night, praying for his recovery. When John heard about her father's illness, he wanted to help. He visited Emily and said, "Emily, I'm sorry about your father. Can I help?" Emily was touched by his kindness. "Thank you, John. Your support means so much to me," she said. John brought medicine and food for Emily's family and visited them often. Slowly, Emily's father recovered. She was deeply grateful. "John, you have a big heart. Thank you for helping us," she said. John smiled. "Emily, I will always be here for you." They spent more time together, talking about their dreams. Though they still loved each other, they knew John's parents would never accept their love. They remained close friends. One day, John had to go to the city for work. "Emily, I have to leave for a while, but I will write to you," he promised. Emily was sad but understood. I will miss you, John. Please take care. John hugged her. I will miss you too. I will come back soon. John worked hard in the city and wrote letters to Emily. He told her about his life, and she wrote back, sharing her own. Through letters, they kept their love alive. Years passed, and John became successful. He saved money and helped his family, but he never forgot Emily. She, too, thought of him every day. One day, John decided to visit the village. He knocked on Emily's door. She opened it, shocked to see him. John, you're back, she exclaimed. John smiled. Yes, Emily. I missed you. They talked for hours, sharing memories and laughter. Then John took a deep breath and said, Emily, I still love you. I want to be with you. Emily was happy but worried. John, I love you too, but what about your parents? John replied, I have saved money. I can support us. I don't need my parents' approval anymore. Emily was touched by his determination. John, I'm proud of you. But I don't want to cause problems for you. John held her hands. Emily, you are my happiness. I want to be with you. They decided to be together, no matter the challenges. They got married in a small ceremony with their friends and family. Emily's family was happy for her. John's parents, however, did not attend. But John and Emily didn't let that stop them. Their love was stronger than any obstacle. They moved to the city and started a new life. They worked hard and supported each other. Though they faced many challenges, their love kept them strong. Years passed, and they built a happy life together. They had children and taught them the values of love and kindness. They never forgot their journey and the hardships they had overcome. Emily and John grew old together, looking back on their life with happiness and pride. They knew their love had made them better people. And so, they lived happily ever after, always cherishing the love they shared. They had learned that true love never dies. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.